Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining today's video. I'm going to share with you guys how to achieve these beachy waves with the flat iron. To begin, I'm going to detangle my hair and prep my hair with a thermal protector. This is by Sebastian. And this is such an important step, ladies. This is a must, especially when using heat. So I'm going to start in the back and I'm going to take my flat iron and rotate in a under-over direction. Or you can also start with a over-under, either or, and you could even alternate if you like to give it a different look. So I'm going to start in the back and just kind of work my way up. So I'm going to take horizontal sections. The thicker the section, the softer your wave will be. So depending on your hair and your texture, the thickness of your hair, you can determine on your sectioning. So I'm just going to go ahead and split these sections up a little bit and start in the back and work my way to the front. Now my flat iron does have a thumb rest, which is really nice. It makes it a lot more comfortable. This is my Olivia Garden titanium ion flat iron. It's great for all hair types and textures, but especially for coarse, curly hair, frizzy hair. It's really great, very smoothing. As far as the heat setting goes, you'll have to use your judgment on your hair texture, the way your hair is chemically processed, or if you have any treatments. I do have mine on a high setting, but that's why it's very important to use a heat protector. So this is how it's looking so far. Now, as you notice, I'm not running my hands through it. I'm letting it cool down, very important. So I'm gonna go ahead and repeat these steps. Now that I'm finishing up this side, I'm on my last section. I'm going to take them a little bit thinner, a little bit smaller, so the waves really stand out a little bit more. Now we're moving along to the other side, and I'm going to repeat all the same steps, starting in the back, working my way to the front. So I'm going to go ahead and speed up the video and just repeat these steps. Now, once you're all done, you want to make sure your hair completely cools off. It's very important. We're going to go in there with our sea spray. This is by Alpha Parf. This adds a nice amount of texture, gives it a very beachy look. And after that, I'm going to go ahead and go in there with my hairspray. This is by Alpha Parf as well. And that completes today's look. That is how I achieve my beachy waves. They are long lasting with the flat iron. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.